Alrighty, so it's been a little while since we've seen each other, and that's okay. But today we're going to take some notes on polynomial operations because you have a worksheet to finish from last class, which was like a week ago. Anyway, polynomial operations, where you're going to add and subtract. Okay, so we're just going to essentially, like we talked about before, we're essentially going to combine like terms. Okay. So for number 1, we're going to take 2x squared plus 3x minus 10, and we're going to add 4x minus 13. Again, I do not enjoy this setup, so I'm going to do a rewrite. And I'm going to rewrite 2x squared plus 3x minus 10, because that is in the correct order. And who am I going to put that 4x under? Am I going to put that 4x under my 2x squared, my 3x, or my 10? I'm going to put a positive 4x underneath my 3x. Again, I'm trying to align my terms that look the same. So now that's done. And where am I going to put the minus of 13 down? Under my 2x squared or under my subtraction of 10? Underneath my subtraction of 10. Okay. What do I put here? In that spot, I don't have any x squareds in my second set of parentheses. So how do I say no, I don't have? What number represents no? 0. And I am adding my two polynomials together, so I'm going to go ahead and write that off to the side. So now I'm going to take 2x plus 0x squared, which is going to give me 2x squared. I'm going to take 3x plus a positive 4x. I'm going to get 7x. I'm going to take my subtraction of 10 plus my negative 13. Negative 10 plus negative 13 gives me negative 23. Second one, let's take 10x squared plus 15x cubed plus 2 added to 10x cubed minus 7. Is my first set of parentheses in the correct order? Are my exponents in order from highest to lowest? No, they are not. So we have to reorder. In my first set of parentheses, my largest exponent value is what? My largest exponent value is 15x cubed. And then I'm going to put a positive 10x squared plus 2. So I rewrote my first set of parentheses. Who am I going to put this 10x cubed under? Hopefully you said the 15x cubed, or we're thinking it at least. And then who am I going to put this subtraction of 7 under? The 2. What do I write in this blank spot? I'm going to put in a 0. I need to show that there's no x squared. So now that I rewrote them, I am going to go ahead and add them up. What is 15x cubed plus 10x cubed? What is 10x squared plus 0x squared? What is 2 plus negative 7? and you're done. I have one more that I want to do, and then that's it. Let's keep this simple. Let's go with 17x squared minus 10, and we're going to subtract 12x squared plus 13. All right. They are already in the correct order. So I have 17x squared, I have no x's, and I am subtracting 10. That's my first set of parentheses. My second set, who does that 12x squared go under? My 17x squared, good. I have no x's, but I am going to add 13. What am I doing with these two sets of parentheses? I am subtracting. So that's a big difference in this problem. I need to subtract. Okay? So I'm going to take 17x squared. I'm going to take 17x squared minus 12x squared. And I'm going to get 5x squared. 0x squared minus 0x squared. Sorry, 0x plus, stop, try again. 0x minus 0x gives me 0x. Then I have negative 10. Remember, you have to keep your sign. Minus 13. What is negative 10 minus a positive 13? Negative 23. So you guys had a worksheet from last time that I told you didn't have to finish, okay? But you're going to have to finish that worksheet now. So let me, have you guys work on that. And then that's all that you guys are pretty much going to do today.